Alright, so these right here are the Luxembourg Monogram Sneaker by Louis Vuitton. And yeah, these things are extremely comfortable. More comfortable than I thought. So these right here, like I said, they have the LV pattern, the monogram. And if you look at the white bottom here, they have the flower monogram. These right here also have the made in Paris embroidery on the back in gold, Louis Vuitton. And of course, just want y'all to know what socks we got here. You see them, right? Just want y'all to see the socks. There we go. That's right. The Richuals socks. Are the socks matching the shoes, or are the shoes matching the socks? I don't know. You guys tell me. Y'all tell me. But yeah, these are the Louis Vuitton Luxembourg. I may be pronouncing it wrong, so don't kill me out there. These are the Louis Vuitton Luxembourg Monogram sneakers. So there you go. Give you guys a quick on foot look at the shoe. Like I said, welcome to Richuals. This is the channel, the daily practice of building wealth. Today we had to spoil ourselves with something nice, some business casual shoes, something nice, switch it up. I know I've been showing you guys like sneakers, Yeezys, and Jordans. So just something a little different. I think this is where we're going in the near future. We're gonna get us some more luxury brand sneakers here, because these things, they feel way better than I thought they were, to be honest with you guys, and they look amazing. Real leather, of course. Oh my goodness, that leather feels amazing. I'm breaking in the leather, that's why you're hearing all the squeaking noises and stuff. This is the first wear, first unboxing, first wear. That's the tongue. You see Louis Vuitton in gold embroidery. Very, very nice. Very beautiful shoe. Very beautiful shoe. Really like these. They came with an extra pair of laces, just so you guys know. I'll show you that in the box. But yeah, like I said, just want to show you guys what the shoes look like. Quick on foot. Picked these up the other day, and I'm loving them. So while you're here and you're wondering if you're new to the channel is about car content, sneaker reviews, and money financial tips. I wrote 2 books last month. Go to the link in the description below. Go check those out. First book is Common Sense, Simple Guide to Money. The second book is How to Grow Your Instagram Following Organically. That's right. So yeah, go check out those 2 books. If you're interested, hit that buy button, read them, apply the knowledge. All the methods work in both books. All the method works. And yeah, really appreciate you guys.
So like I said, thank you for tuning in to another episode of Richuals. Do me a favor and do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button. Turn the notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos based off those 3 topics I just mentioned. As well as smash that like button because YouTube algorithm loves it. So go ahead and smash that like button right now and give your boy a subscription by hitting that subscribe button. And thank you all for tuning in to Richuals. Greatly appreciate you guys. The numbers are growing, but most importantly, I appreciate you guys' support. Go get the books. The books have been flying through the roof. Thank you guys for that, purchasing the books. If you have not purchased your book, like I said, go to the link, description below, get your book. Especially if you're building a small business, you just started a small business, or if you're trying to get out of debt. If you're building a small business and you're looking to market it, Instagram is the way to go. That book will be very beneficial to you. If you're looking to get out of debt and some money tips, the Common Sense book will be very beneficial to you. No matter what you're trying to do, both books will be beneficial to you. All right. With that being said, thank you guys for tuning in to Richuals. Y'all have an amazing day, and I appreciate you all. Love and peace, and we out.
Just so y'all know it's not a game.
Go get your socks. Richuals.org. They feel great. They feel amazing. And if they can get in a pair of Louis V's, they good for your feet too. Let's go.